In this, you don't have to take a degree or your language. It depends on you how you do your work.
Degrees help the job and office and any factories.
Okay. So are you ready, guys?
Yes, please.
Okay, let's begin the second GD. Means second group discussion. And this topic is quite very much interesting. You all will surely love it because it is related to your future. As you all know, right now you all are studying, right? Okay, in future you will take such decisions in which you will get two options to choose. What to continue? Do you want to go with degrees, which has importance, right? Or do you want to go with any skill which has its own benefits? If you got a chance, what would you choose? And what is good and for the betterment of students? Skills or degrees, which can have a big impact? You have to share your point of views. What is most important thing for a student? Degree or skills? You have to come up with your point of views. Shall we?
Yes.
Okay.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys. Today's topic is about GD is which is important, skills or degree. My opinion is skill. Let me how. See guys, if you have a skill about writing something, about to do dance, about singing and many things else, in this you don't have to take a degree or your language. It depends on you how you do your work. Right? At the school you get awards or at the college you did not get degree that first you have to show degree then you will get a one award. No, first you have to in drawing that I got first, so it's my skill, right? Like Vishal, if he got first in dance, so it's his skill. It did not get degree to anybody else. Okay.
Yeah, enough. She is right. Because in skills, you learn so many things. Just like it's first, let's get an example: personal skills, and then there are several skills which you always learn. But if we talk about degree, so it is a thing. Just means you will get job faster. But skill, from where did you get skill? From where you get jobs? By your skills, by your knowledge, and by your own thing, by your own skills. Just saying, you have a skill to write, so then you will get a job. If you will not have a skill of writing, so how will you go to the other classes and how you will get some jobs? This was my point.
So, according to they are correct. The degrees, you see the skills. When you go to any company to get your job, so they will not see your they will not see your skills. They not say the singing, do the writing, write one page. Then I will take in your job. They will directly see your degrees. The degrees is very important thing for us. What when you get the any jobs, so that companies want to see your the degrees.
Yes, you are right, and but I really support of skills. But in degree is so important for our life. You know how when you go in any interview, like you want to become a IS officers, so you don't have means in IS officer there is not, they don't ask to what do you have skills, they ask to show me your degrees, means which class you study and what do you know, that's asked to in that interview. So degree is good for our life.
He is absolutely right, but skills are important in school and college. And out of jobs, we get job. So we saw a degree. We do not see jobs. Do not see a skills. People do degree to the officers.
I believe that skill is better for than degrees. Because why? Skills help everywhere, every place. Because degrees doesn't help. Degrees help the job and office and any factories. But skills help every place. Do you go anywhere and like you do you see any actor he saw the his skills, he shows his skills, doesn't he see his degrees, see my degrees, I'm study that class. Not do you see any actor like Shahrukh Khan?
Okay, guys, the most of them you have said that a degree is more important, not skill. So, guys, if a poor person do not know how to get a degree, he have a skill about the singing. He has a skill about the dance, or you can say about singing. So he can get any kind of the in Indian Idol. Many of the people come, right? So the Indian Idols, the managers ask that how much did you study? Did you get degrees? Tell me. They see that the skill of them. First they get trial. Okay, your skills I very like. I love your skills. So you can come in Indian Idol. They do not shows their degree, right? If anybody loves to, if you are saying that degree, so degree do not help you every time. Skills helps you every time. If you have a skill now about studying, so you can get degree very easily, right? After that, about studying, about doing anything.
Yeah, enough. She is right. She just say that if you have skill, so you can go in. You can get degree easily. She is right, because if you will have skills, so if you have skills, so you can go anywhere. Just like if you have skill to read anything, to write anything, to study, so you can go. You can get degree really. You can get degree faster. Here a question release that if you want to go in any class, and you are in primary class, and you have to get, and you were saying that I have to go in 10th class, how I will go, and you have not having skills, and you just have degree, so will you promote in that class? No. Why? Because you don't have skills. Just like if you have writing skill, guys, do you know, if you have one skill only na, it's true, you will promote, you will get that degree faster.
Thank you so much, guys. By the way, it was all productive. You all were giving ample of examples through that you could understand, you can make them understand how skills and degrees play a vital role in our life. But do you know, guys, whenever you place your point in discussion, don't only take the example which is near or related to you. Try to go with different kind of examples. As he took the example of IAS officer. So I found it so genuine, so nice. Because he is taking himself out of the zone, out of the box. These examples actually help people to connect. Okay, so whenever you take example, don't drag your point of view only. Drag other professions, other fields, about countries, about lifestyle of human being, about our life. Okay, the common changes what we face, social media's impact. Okay, go everything together. That makes your discussion more productive and more deeper. Got it? By the way, coordination was completely maintained in your performance too. Clap for that.